In the realm of social psychology, comprehending how individuals explain their social worlds is of paramount importance as it sheds light on the cognitive processes underpinning human behavior and interactions. This understanding enables researchers to predict, explain, and potentially modify social behaviors, facilitating conflict resolution, improve interpersonal relationships, and effective interventions aimed at reducing biases, prejudice, and discrimination. Additionally, insights into how people explain social phenomenon contribute to enhancing decision-making processes, creating mental well-being, and promoting societal change by addressing the beliefs and perceptions that underlie social issues, ultimately leading to a more informed, equitable, and harmonious society. Let us explore how attributing causality and the fundamental attribution error influence the way we explain our social worlds, along with potential future research directions in social psychology. Attributing causality involves the processes of assigning reasons or causes to the behavior or individuals or events in our social world. Misattribution occurs when individuals attribute a behavior or outcome to the wrong source. For example, someone might misattribute their improved mood to a conversation with a friend when it's actually due to sunny weather. Attribution theory proposed by Fritz Heider suggests that people use causal explanations to understand events and behaviors. Future research could explore how different attributional styles, such as internal versus external attributions, influence our social perceptions and judgments. Dispositional attribution occurs when we attribute a person's behavior to their internal characteristics or personality traits. For example, assuming someone is always late because they are inherently disorganized. Situational attribution, on the other hand, attributes behavior to external circumstances or environmental factors. For example, understanding that someone was late due to traffic. Spontaneous trait inference is the tendency to automatically infer personality traits from observed behaviors. Future research might explore how these spontaneous trait inferences impact our judgment in interactions, especially in social and workplace settings. Now let's try to discuss the fundamental attribution error. The fundamental attribution error is the tendency to overemphasize dispositional attributions and underestimate situational factors when explaining the behavior of others. For example, if someone fails to complete a task at work, we might assume they are lazy. This is our dispositional, without considering external factors like heavy workload, which is the situational. Future research in social psychology could investigate the underlying cognitive processes that contribute to the fundamental attribution error and develop interventions to reduce its impact. Additionally, exploring cross-cultural variations in attributional tendencies could be an intriguing avenue for research. Future research in social psychology related to attributing causality and fundamental errors could focus on interventions to promote more balanced and accurate attributions, as well as examining how these attributions impact various domains, such as interpersonal relationships, workplace dynamics, and societal judgments. Understanding these processes can contribute to improve social interactions and decision making.